Hello boss, this is Bella. Today I will introduce our plastic bird spike to you. This bird spike is a simple human maintenance-free solution that deters birds from lichens, fences, roof edges, and more. Made of a durable PC material that won't corrode or decay. They can be installed on various surfaces and provide total pest bird protection while maintaining facility assistance. UV treated to stand up to harsh conditions. Made of durable imported PC, perfect performance for long-term outdoor use. Highly effective and nearly invisible physical barrier. 5-year variety against material defects and workmanship. 2 bird spikes can be combined to cover a wider area, protect surface from corrosive droppings, ideal for replacement in tight spaces or against walls, such as on a window sill. Customized packaging is accepted. If you are interested in this one, please leave a comment and I will send you more details.